Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. I'm kind of out of words, just kind of stuttering. You just can't make this stuff up. Customer wants me to do a diagnostic on a car why it won't start. This is 2024 as we speak. As you can see, the inspection sticker says 2018. As I open the car, I can see an exhaust manifold sitting here. And that's not even the real interesting one. This person wants me to do a diagnostic of why it won't start, and they got their fuel pump is completely unplugged and stuff just hanging around, not even connected in any shape from way. And how am I supposed to do a diagnostic? This is actually doing a repair, putting stuff together, and they're paying for a diagnostic. People, if you want us to do a diagnostic, please have everything together as it came with, versus you're going to be paying for us to put things together just to turn around and do a diagnostic and charge half labor. You just can't make this stuff up. This car has been sitting around for quite some time. It looks like it's got water been in it, and I don't understand what miracle they think I'm going to be able to do with the condition of how they have the car for me to look at. A lot of people are going to say, oh, you're whining, why don't you just go ahead and put it together? And my thing is, why don't you come down here and put it together yourself, and then I could do the diagnostic? I'm only here to do one thing. Any extra work at your job, you get paid for. I won't get paid for putting extra stuff together like this. So I choose to have the customer to put it back the way they're supposed to have it and get paid for what I am here to do, not extra stuff. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. You just can't make this up.